Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamata kasngi. Halor ka kanrom kan ramjong ka majai ka hima sora East Khasi Hills District uba apenya juloong ba kwa ban pha ya ka khubor ka basai ba ka ki HDC ka syong ha council na ka jing saukhya bat ka jingkit khli na mar kata la ai ha ka EC bat ka council banle ya ka e ka bahatam nak banta ki hima ha ka lenggi jaka. Kajimi bat kajing patsngaw ki khun ki hajar ka hima sora ba kim patsngaw biang bandon karat majai CM ulong ba ka isi kalshim khia ya kani bat sai bishar bni abha ya kani banle ya ka bahatam bat sai salok lang bat UMDC ka than hadim lakut ka dorbar ha ka ju ka por CM ulabu ka jing karpat ya ka liang persha ban a ya ka jing mut lam bat dan penbet ya ki kendrum kan ramjong ka hima sora bat ka majai ka majai gadai ka jaka ka jumi bahagi kenrum kenram nadu ki por menshwa kumju ha ka por balong CM upanyat kum taw la pentep ba ka hima sora dang hakini ki khendet sngi kala ai por ya ka ki HADC halor ka jing penbena ya ka majai kum kara batong ba menta ka executive committee jonga council ka ha ban bu por kala ba ha po ka khatsan tari unai tung ka executive dorbar ka hima sora ka di ban pha lut ya baro ki dollar lani ki pata khendau ba ka hima ka ai shaki bar jala hamajai shaka council bangin la ban bishar ban le ya ka bodon kam
that the scheme of Hima Sora will no longer appoint a non-Khasi as office assistant in Hima office at Majai. Kabakhitai that all tolls and other revenue collection at Majai will be done by the scheme of Hima Sora, and he shall be made proper accounts with a share to the Soda Majai and his executive Dorbar Majai. Kabashiko that the marketplace at Majai will be run in a proper way, that the scheme of Hima Sora through the Soda of Majai shall ensure this. Kabakhapai that the Soda of Nashwa ban snow ban identity Nashikya wai dikam Kabulu nilak dan wanla shikajimha hagbede bani. Teki kun ki hajar lawan minta shitoyo bani kendu yang ni ban kunso ya kajing kajoki ya kajing super sha kajoki hakabide bakani ka notification bami how we banai jilim arja akusa banat kalian ke executive committee kala bindam no ya ka order jawkani arja aku ke ini ka order arja aku ko akan tarik kurang Februari ajar atau ke executive order ke belami nan ni ko council from the executive committee the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council has carefully considered the unanimous decision of the executive Dorbar of Sora Simship forwarded to the office by letter dated Apply Kendai Arja Kendai, and hereby orders partial notification of its decision and order dated Akusan Tarik Punabaju Ajak Kendai to the extent of deleting the contents of Para 2 Subpara 3 up to Para 2 Subpara 11 of the said order, and wherever the word Rat Majai appears in the said order must be substituted and read as Majai. On the basis of what has been expounded upon, the Executive Committee, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in the larger interest of the schemeship, has decided to partially modify the Executive Committee order Akusantarik Nagadu Ajak Kendai with immediate effect and shall be enforced till further order. Lalu dikai kenika order Ajak Kendai, ia kepada order Ajak atau kalau dili katu kat ni dikendor, nanti kebalai hadu bakatway. Jadi ajar kat kendai ke orang kumli, hadir sampai instead ya Paim Freeman CM ke lima seorang. Kalau kecing syak, when not shipor, how ajar kat pula, hadir kecing syak kena bebun ki kendo lima. Anti kok majai baktibi kishnong. Laai Shiki Bombay, Bayo Shaka, Bayo Kilo, Pembuat Laai Shiki Shiki non-tribal, Nani Bombay But hadir pada komiti telah besar banyaknya lagi instinnya yang muslim kahima sora limba kami ke order arja tertunda. But hadani ke atusan dari ujul ajar tertunda. Kami ke order ke omputing. The executive committee Khasiat Satumas District Council after careful consideration of the inquiry report dated Kundrio tertunda subjected by the inquiry officer in connection with the allegation leveled against Sri Freeman 6 AM, the suspended of Sora's leadership, in which findings are narrated as hereunder. In the matter of Sardar Rai Maushud, the inquiry officer in this report has stated that the scheme and its Darbar has not complied the order of the executive committee for appointment of a regular Sardar Rai of Rai Maushud. In the matter of Rat Majai, the findings of the inquiry officer has to be taken into consideration as indicated below. Kini ikendon Lahore